Dactal here, and today I'm going to tell you what it's going to take to fix this Brute branded generator, which is made by Briggs & Stratton. So this recoil had broke on this generator that this customer broke in. The pulley broke. So we looked up the engine, can't buy the pulley. Gotta buy the whole recoil assembly. Can't buy any individual parts to fix it other than a rope. So this is June of 2022. This part isn't gonna be available until October 2022. So, and that's maybe October 2022. So the guy wants his generator, wants to fix it. Now, he could just take a rope, because there's a notch in here, and wrap it around here to start it, but he doesn't want to do that. He wants a recoil, which we can't get. So I'm looking at this thing, and I'm like, this kind of looks like a Honda recoil. So I went in my Stens catalog, and I ordered this Honda Stens branded recoil. And there's the part number. And took it out, and sure enough, it looks identical as far as the pulley and all that. But it comes with a different cup. It also comes with a cup, which is a little bit shallower. So this isn't going to work because it's too tall. It doesn't fit flat down on there. So we got to change the cup. No big deal. Take that off, and look, the cup even fits perfect in there like it was made for it. So what is Briggs & Stratton doing? Knocking off Honda stuff now? Turn it. Screws in. Bolt screws. And there's your dinner. There's your dinner. With some parts from a Honda. So subscribe to this YouTube channel, Taryl Fixes All. I'm Taryl. Check out our videos. We got hundreds of them. Go to our web store, buy some of our Taryl apparel, and we got tools and silicones and all kinds of sprays and different stuff. Just check it out. And as always, there's your dinner. Fixed it. That guy's gonna be happy. Briggs & Stratton. They're getting worse and worse by the day.